What is this? We got a new E39. I got it from the auction. It's a fixer-upper, right? Need a little bit on the front. Now, they didn't take pictures of the back doors, but I think I could probably we could bundle that out. Let's be honest here. Wheels are mixed matched. The trunk lid needs a little Bondo on it, but it should be fine. And this door, I mean, minor distance scratches. No problems at all, right? So, in case you haven't figured it out, we're going to scrap, not to Copart. This didn't come from Copart. We're taking the E39 to scrap. It only has something below. I pretty much got all the good parts off of it that I wanted. And it's been sitting here for about a year or so. So it's time to go. And we moved all the storage shed and all this other junk down there. And we have the other E39 is gonna go next. After that, the fully intact E36 is going. I might pull just a few parts off of that, but I don't really want any E36 parts, to be honest with you. I don't really want to take the transmission out to sell to anybody because I don't really care about that. So here we are. Hopefully this crap stays together. I ran some drywall screws, just kind of keep everything intact. The plan was to shrink wrap the whole car, and of course I pulled the shrink wrap roll out and it had about 20 foot on it, and that was all it was out. It was empty. So we got about 40 minutes to drive, about 10 minutes on the interstate. So hopefully whatever possibly will blow off on the back roads going to the interstate. Time we get on there, we should be good. Maybe let's drive 60, 65 on the interstate for 10 minutes. I'd rather go slow than have a bunch of crap falling off. So I guess now, we're gonna switch over to the dash cam, our very discreet dash cam. I don't know, guys. I hate driving. I hate taking stuff to scrap because it's super freaking shady. Turn that blower down a little bit. It's super shady because everything's almost falling out of the car, no matter what you do. And all it's gonna take is for us to pass one Missouri Highway State Patrol, and this is gonna turn into a bad situation real quick. Because if you guys ever been through Missouri, you know State Patrol pulls you up. If they waste their time to pull you over, they're writing you a ticket or tickets. They don't care. And it'll be some kind of weird stuff you never heard of before. It doesn't matter how much you think you know. They have more tricks up their sleeve than what you know. So I don't know. We'll see how this works out. But I'm gonna turn it off. We'll be back here in a minute. We'll leave it run at the junkyard and make sure we get the shop. It's super freaking sketchy. We're on the interstate. We're only going 60 because I don't want to push any faster than that. But there's a crosswind. We're just gonna blow out some of my trash out of the car. I used to like doing, when I was younger, I would do this stuff all the time, constantly tow stuff. But as the older I get, you start thinking about the liability of it. And it's not, on this load, it's not like we care if we lose anything, but we care if we lose something and somebody behind us runs over it or makes them crash. Well, we made it. What a freaking disaster. Nothing fell off. The crosswinds, as we got closer to the recycling place, were just so extreme. Gusting really hard. The Sequoia is pretty stable on the interstate with the air ride and 10 plies. And even it was making its way. There's nobody here. She said it was $165 a ton, which is quite a lot, actually. All right. 11,180 pounds, which is basically how it runs. Basically how it runs is you pull through the scale loaded and you come back out, it re-weighs it. We never do it to the fullest extent when I take these down there. There was like 3 or 4 aluminum cylinder heads in the car. They're worth like $10 a piece, and it wasn't worth digging them out, to be honest with you. I just don't care that much. If you really wanted to get to it, you take every piece of aluminum out, take all that crap out, but it just wasn't worth doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and unstrap that car. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna take that big blue machine on the left. I don't know if you can see that, if the camera's wide enough angle for that. And they're gonna grab this car by the roof and hopefully take it off without smashing it on my trailer. The gas tank is empty. The fuel pump incendiary is out of it. I don't know if it has oil in it or not. That might be an issue. Actually, I was gonna drain that before I left the house, but I couldn't find the damn title to this thing, so we had to call ahead and do all that, and I got sidetracked. They might take it off with a forklift. They have a big forklift. Not as big as Copart though, but I don't know, it looks sketchy if they try to do that. We'll see. What the hell is this guy doing? Button a line, buddy? You better not pull that shit up there. What are you doing? I don't think these guys know how it works. I don't know. Some people just aren't too bright. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to try to back up back in line? How's it going?
Pretty sure she told me. She got a title, right?
No, this is the 99 BMW I called her about. She called the lean place, and everything's good with it.
Okay, so she did clear.
Yeah, otherwise it wouldn't have came
I
here.
thought she did, but wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Pull up right kind of behind that truck. Pull up right there. I'll have him come grab it with the loader.
Okay, sounds good, man. All right, so we're getting unloaded with the forklift. Here it comes right now. It's still got a window on it, so he's gonna ram that forklift right through that window. If you guys can see it or not. Super sketchy. All right, let's get the hell out of here. $7,600 even. All right, so minus 7,600. That car only weighed 3,580 pounds. So we'll see. I'll turn you guys off. Be right back. All right, you guys still rolling? So that was okay. So it's tagged at 7,600 pounds, like we thought. It was $307.68. Holy! And we had the aluminum. That's what I thought. The aluminum wasn't worth taking out of the car. That cylinder head and that valve cover was only $3.50. And then yeah, it's only 10 cents. I guess it was dirty aluminum, so only 10 cents a pound. And the catalytic converter, which was the manifold off the M62 TU off of 540, only brought $8. I should have kept it, but it's been sitting there for over a year, and it just had to go.